Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings. Our Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 128. So let's read the story. Jing, it is not it. Sorry, I'm so excited. The fun really noticed her. Now it makes sense. She looked back. Miss Jing, we came to see Miss G. You still remember me, one of the pants said. But, Akshu, what is she going to do? Right now, she was paused. Well, right now, definitely she remember her. And she looked back. Yingshu, Happy New Year. She greeted her. Well, of course, that girl, she really remember her. But, the support slide card is very beautiful. Can you give me one? Ian said to her. Oh, right now. She really got interested. Yes, of course, you can. Give you all. Turns out, they really gave her all the lights to her. Not so much, but of course, the two of them are really happy. Jingshu, she was really surprised by the action of the two ladies right now. Of course, that was really too many lights. She was looking at hers. Well, it's gonna be start sooner, so she need to go in. Suddenly, Teacher Jing, her cousins and her former students are already there, and they look really surprised. You bring so many supporters from Teacher Chi, you don't have it. Help you want? Jingshu said to her. You can waive it later. Okay, thanks. She accepted and she's going to waive it when Jian starts to sing. Now, what do I want? True or false? Former students, she seems to be happy. Their cousins right now. Now, Jingshu, it's so outright. Are you not afraid of going to the news? Well, of course. I really want to support her. The invitations of his friend Tang Xingrong, he will walk with former students Wang Ningwei and Fan He. Ifs together. They're not to help me make a plan to chase my cousin-in-law. It's to cover herself. Also, let's go to the news. When she invites me, she should be mentally prepared. Well, but her cousin's right now. She was looking at hers. She looks really excited. Well, definitely. Jingshu, she really wants to support Jian. It was Yanyan's program is ranked over 20. It should be around 8:30 to be able to start. You have a new message. Don't be nervous. Two of them are hugging emotions. Well, she was really good on emotional support. And next, her cousin, she seems to be happy. Well, definitely, she is really happy. We give the stage to us. Ian suddenly looked up on the stage. Everyone is calling Yuyan. Everyone is speaking loud. Well, this evening, so everything will went well, especially when Jiyan looked up on the stage. She looks really pretty and gorgeous. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!